Hi friends, Dr. Ramadevi Papalu here, fertility specialist. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss PCO, PCOS, PCOD. How do we diagnose? Diagnosis is very simple. We have to do hormone analysis and transvaginal scanning. In the hormonal analysis, we have to include FSH, LH, AMH, glucose tolerance test, HB1AC, and CBP, ESR, CRP, and male hormones like DHEA, testosterone, total and free, and SHBG, sex hormone binding globulin. So once we do all these tests, we will come to know whether the PCO is in what all the hormones are involved in this particular person. At the same time, ultrasonography is a great help, because when we do scanning, we easily can diagnose PCO, because when the volume of the ovary will be more than 10 ml, and the number of follicles will be more than 20 in each ovary. Depending upon the number of follicles, we can even classify into mild, moderate and severe, and we also keep all other hormone factors in associated with the scanning report. And sometimes MRI, usually it is not necessary, sometimes we may do MRI also. So with this, we can, with the clinical examination, like once we see the patient physically, we look for the weight and is it matching to the height and age, that we have to see. BMI we have to see, and any male hormone pattern like hair growth on the lips or on the beard or on the hands or on the chest, that we have to look into. And we will ask the history, how her periods are there, how the flow, quantity and pain, all these things we have to look into. So depending upon the clinical examination, hormone analysis, scanning report, we can diagnose PCO, PCOS and PCOD very easily. So friends, in the next episode I will be talking about the treatment. So keep watching my channel, and any comments please put in the comment section. Thank you.